Good morning, everyone. It's Monday morning, and look at this task we're about to begin here. Basically, we got a dog kennel model Spike Comfort Large, 84 by 101 by 87 centimeters, delivered all the way from Zoo Plus in Germany, in Munich, Germany. Now that rings a bell, the name of that city. So my wonderful wife here is building it up. So how's it going so far? Any comments? Believe me, I don't want to get involved in building any of these dog kennels or anything like that. It takes patience for that, and I ain't got it. So there you go. So let's have a look at this one, the finished product. I mean, you've nearly built it. Well done. As you can see, not much comments from the wife there, but that's normal. Keep on building. Now there's a fine kennel from Zoo Plus in Germany. So look at that, we even put a bed inside, huh? So that's pretty, yeah, it's got a proper roof. It's well insulated, and this will sit into the dog run here, so at nights. So that's it then. A great job and easy to put together, seemingly. I wasn't involved. I hope you like your new home, Sonny. All the best, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free.